EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for August 6, 2021. Today's video forecast is sponsored by Georgia's Quick Stop Cafe in Marshalls Creek, Pennsylvania. They are on Milford Road, which is also Route 209 in the Stroudsburg area of Monroe County. George has been sponsoring the daily forecast video on Friday now for about 3.5 months, and I thank you, George, for your continued support of the daily forecast videos and EPAWA. Speaking of EPAWA, I have a polo on today, which is a rare thing. Usually you see me in a t-shirt doing this video here with whatever. I was at Music Fest this evening, and wearing the polo for that. This is the preview night. Last night. Now today is the first official start of the 10-day festival with the full Music Fest lineup in full effect. So that starts today. We have pretty good weather for it today, and actually for the next couple of days. Well, we'll see. At least from a precipitation standpoint, we're looking pretty good for most of this festival. I have a lot of questions about that because everybody's expecting this big deluge of rain to come from somewhere. I don't know where that's coming from, but not looking like that over the next week here. But we'll have mostly sunny skies today, at least to start the day, and then we have partly cloudy skies, mix of sun and clouds this afternoon. It is going to be warmer today than it has been in recent days, and even warmer than yesterday. Yesterday we got up in the kind of low to mid 80s for highs, after we were spending highs in the 70s or upper 70s, low 80s for a considerable amount of time with some very refreshing temperatures. Yesterday was northwesterly wind flow, so we didn't have any humidity. Today the humidity is going to increase a little bit. Unfortunately, for those of you that don't like the humidity, we will have to deal with that a little bit today. Not full-fledged yet. That's going to come next week. But we have 86 to 91 is a spread today from northwest to southeast across our region. So very warm day. Most of us will be in the upper 80s, but again, down by the Philadelphia metro, 90, 91-ish for highs today is certainly attainable. And then we're going to take a step back here tomorrow. On Saturday, 84 to 87 is the range, and that's because we're dealing with a lot of clouds, mostly cloudy skies across the region, and there could be a late day shower across some areas. That's going to be very late in the day here on Saturday and going into the evening, maybe probably late evening for some of you on Saturday. So most of the day is dry on Saturday during the daylight hours. Okay, so today you're mostly sunny in the morning, partly cloudy in the afternoon, and then we're going to have some clouds increasing overnight. But we should get pretty hot today. Moving forward from this point, here's a look at Saturday. Now, we have an area low pressure off to our southeast. Now, the global models show absolutely nothing across our coverage area. The NAM, however, does not show that idea. As we move ahead to Saturday, here's a little bit of precipitation moving this low. Not a lot, and this is late. This is in the evening. This is 7 p.m. on Saturday, and you can see some rain moving across the region going up to about midnight, or actually just after midnight. And this goes right into very late at night on Sunday across New Jersey. So there could be some showers with this. This is a little bit further northwest from what the European model has, which is just down to the coastal region. So there's a little uncertainty there with exactly how that evolves and which one is correct. And this is the latest 18Z run of the European model, which is consistent with the previous run at 12Z, showing absolutely nothing over the interior and just confined to the coastal regions. So, excuse me. So we're going to watch this very closely on Saturday, or the next couple of days here, next 24 hours, I should say, just to see how exactly this plays out. It's amazing you're that close to this event, and the models really can't figure out what's going on here. The GFS is not really thrilled with anything here on Saturday as well, but we are going to allow that. For that opportunity for some showers very late in the day, evening, and part of the overnight in some areas, as suggested here by the 3-kilometer NAM, which just came in this evening with a kind of a wet look here during that time frame. So we'll watch that very closely. That could have impacts for places like Music Fest here for Saturday night. We'll see how that works out, but right now we're going with just a stray shower opportunity during the day here on Saturday. In some areas it'll be later in the day if that were to occur, and then maybe isolated overnight. I don't think it's going to be a concentrated thing just yet. We'll continue to follow that and stay on top of that. Once we get to Sunday, though, we are back to partly cloudy skies, and temperatures are going to increase again. So we're going to have 84 to 87 for the spread here on Saturday. Once we get to Sunday, I think we're back similar to this. It's going to be very close, 85 to 90 probably here on Sunday. And then once we get into next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, where many areas are very close to 90 or just above. Matter of fact, across the southeast PA, we're looking at lower 90s, low to mid 90s. In fact, Monday through Wednesday of next, actually Monday through Thursday of next week, we'll have temperatures that are going to be in the low to mid 90s for highs in those particular areas. But most of us will see 90 or above for most of those days between Monday and Thursday next week. So that is going to be an abrupt change from what we've seen recently, where we had those cooler temperatures, lower humidity. This is not going to be the case next week. It's going to be a soup sandwich with heat and humidity expected. And late on Sunday, we have an opportunity for a stray thunderstorm. I think, again, this is another one of those situations where the global models are really not thrilled with this idea, but we are allowing for a stray thunderstorm late in the day here on Sunday with an upper level disturbance off to our north. It is possible, especially for our northern areas, to see a stray thunderstorm late in the day here on Sunday. And then Monday, I think we're going back to partly to mostly sunny skies, and most of the region should remain dry in its entirety. Okay, so Monday is just going to be a dry day. Tuesday, we have a frontal boundary moving toward the region, but I don't think it quite gets here in time. Not impossible for us to see something stray in our far western areas late in the day, but I think most of us are dry the entire day on Tuesday. Another hot day, hot, humid day. And once we get to Wednesday, I think you have a little bit of a better chance along a prefrontal trough to see some scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day here on Wednesday, and that's going to carry into Thursday as the actual cold front moves through the region with more scattered showers and thunderstorms. Behind this, we should have some clearing behind that for the weekend. So it looks like Wednesday, Thursday is a time frame where we're targeting for anything organized along a cold front. Again, we're going to have an upper level disturbance move through later on Sunday off to our north. We'll have to watch for a stray thunderstorm. And then Saturday, mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, which is going to keep these temperatures in check, as you can see here. But we're going to have the opportunity for a stray shower late in the day. Might become a little bit more isolated overnight, but we'll see how that works out. In the next 24 hours, we'll stay on top of that since we have some model disagreement in that time frame. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for August 6, 2021. Have a great Friday.